you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I of course am Clark Griswold, and man did we have a banger of a day on our swing list for March 7th. Goodness gracious, guys. I gave out about 50 plays. 90% of them worked out. The 10 that didn't either gapped or have not triggered yet. Okay? You guys, if you followed any of these plays outside of that small 10%, you guys would have won on this stuff, okay? It was a killer day. We made a ton of money today, and it was a great Monday, okay? Let's get started. I do want to ask you guys, if you don't mind, if you do like the video, just take a little time and give me a quick little thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down, but tell me why so I can fix the videos for you guys. I am here for you guys. I make these videos for you guys to help you guys be better traders. I want to see you guys succeed and make money and not have to work and just trade, okay? So let's get started. If you have questions, you can comment down below. Feel free. And you know what? The other thing, as I go through these plays, if you were in them, put it down below. You say, yeah, I was in Rblx or MU or Snap, and I made 10%, or I made 3%, or I made 50%, okay? I want to see those. I want to see how you guys are doing. I'm excited. I love when you guys get your gains, okay? I'm here to win with you. I'm here to lose with you guys, okay? So let's get started. Rblx, okay? Rblx, I gave you guys the weekly trigger, okay? Here it was, 41.93. This one was a little tough because this is an all-time low for Rblx, so we didn't have a target to hit. So anywhere in here, take profit, okay? Because we are at all-time lows, and we're at risk of exhaustion, and this at any point could just start trending back to the upside. Okay, MU was next, Micron Technology. Look at this beautiful play. I gave you guys a weekly trigger and then this monthly trigger, okay? So we're through both. We hammered this thing. 8% down on the day Micron Technology was. This was a huge play, guys. Most of these plays, you're getting at least 20%. This one was way more. But most of the plays that I'm going through today, you should have got at least 20%, okay? And that's what I want you guys to focus on, is the percentages, not the profit and loss dollar value, okay? Don't pay attention to that. I know it's misleading because you see these guys making thousands of dollars and $10,000s and $100,000 and $60,000 a day. Those guys are trading with bigger lots of money, okay? And most times, I don't want to say everyone, but most times. And they're only taking 10, 20, 30, 40%ers, okay? They're just trading with more dollar values. So if you have a smaller account, concentrate on your percentages, okay? Even if you have a big account, concentrate on your percentages. We want to see those 10, 15, 20, 30%ers, okay? That's what we want to see. Base hits, consistency. Okay, so MU, I gave you the triggers. It hit 80.52, went through the monthly, so we are short all the way through this month, I'm guessing, is what I would say if I'm playing this long. You could hold these, or you could have just got rid of them. We hit targets here. So we've hit 2 targets already. Now, go ahead and hold them. Take profit, though. Make sure you're always taking profit. LYFT, lift. So lift, I looked earlier today, just before market close, we did not trigger, and now we have, okay? So lift is go for launch. We have hit our weekly trigger. Tomorrow, this is our daily trigger for tomorrow's plays on lift, okay? So you can go through that video later. Check it out after you check out this one, the daily plays for March 8th, okay? And then if we trigger on the daily, we are for sure going through on the monthly, so we can swing this long to the downside for the month of March. Okay, I had one of my followers talk to me about Ford. Tell me how he was going to try out Ford. He never got into it. Dude, I wish you would have. Man, Ford, like the other ones, were bangers. And you notice here, we have time frame continuity on our side when these plays go through. So Ford went through the trigger. And look, I can't make this stuff up. I put these targets on here. We are at target, okay? You can't get any closer than that. Look at this. 1597. My target that I put in was 1596. Okay? It is what it is. And guys, listen. This stuff, I'm giving this stuff out for free. Okay? There's guys charging hundreds and thousands of dollars for this stuff. And they shouldn't be, because it's simple, easy information. And I want you guys to use it and learn and trade with it. I don't want you guys to have to pay for it. It's free. Okay? Use what I'm giving you. And, win. Let's win. No, these are swing setups, so these can go out through the whole week, and we're hitting targets on day one, okay? So if you have multiple contracts, make sure you've pulled profit out, and let a few runners run, okay? Let those ones hit your 100% or 150%ers if we can hit them, okay? Look at this. Snap, outside bar, hit the trigger, time frame to the downside, we're gone. Big win on Snap. Then we have Adobe, ADBE. Same thing. We had a 2 up that finished red, so we're looking for the reversal. We hit second targets, okay? Nailed Adobe today. AFRM, again. Hit trigger, and we're not quite at that target, but this is good enough for profits too. You can let it ride, but you're good enough for profits. AMC. Hit first targets. Boom. Right through the trigger. Blasted through it. AMC. AMD. Look at this. I was amazed at how this day went. I guess I shouldn't be amazed given what's happening, but we killed the weekly swings today, okay? You should be so green. I hope you're green. Anyways, if you're not, you're doing it wrong, and watch more of these videos. It'll help you, I promise. Look at this. I don't usually play Amazon, but Amazon triggered and hit targets. Nailed it. Okay, here's another one. Barely through the trigger. Okay, so we're sitting on it. You can still get in this play tomorrow if we end up retracing through here, okay? That's ATVI. BA, Boeing, through the outside bar. Nailed it. Full time frame to the downside. These are big, big winners, guys. So here's one of the ones I was talking about. We gapped down in the morning, and if you know how to play gaps, you could have played this gap back up and then ridden it back down. But we don't play the triggers if we have gaps in the morning, okay? CRM. Hey, look. Through the trigger on CRM, Salesforce. Nailed it. D-Dog, Datadog. Boom! Big win on Datadog. Hope you guys were in. DraftKings. I was in DraftKings today. I played it. I took it for 46%. I think it ran to over. It was over 80%. I'll have to check. But over 80% runner on DraftKings, okay? 80%. Who doesn't want 80% in a day? Okay? Big win on DraftKings. I hope you guys were in it. DocuSign, DOCU. Again, reversal to the downside. We nailed it. Big win. Facebook. Reversal to the downside. Nailed it. Hit trigger and target. Okay, Fubo TV. Here's another one. So Fubo, I should move this line up, but we just came through just barely, okay? So you can watch for Fubo tomorrow if you want to still get into swing trades. Fubo is the one you want to look at, or one of them that you want to look at to break through that trigger line, okay? Google, not one that I play because of the premiums, but nailed it. Home Depot did not trigger. We have an inside bar still, okay? So that one's still open for play on the weekly swings. Hood, same thing, did not trigger. We're stuck on an inside bar. This is our trigger here, so if we break through it, we're in it for the swing. Monster, MNST, 3-1 setup. I told you guys these things are powerful, okay? And Monster went for 8% loss today. Big, big win. I had a guy tell me he didn't think DraftKings was going to have that big of a drop. Well, does anybody consider 13% a big drop? It's a big drop to me. So, winner. Monster. Winner. Moderna. I need to look at it. Winner. Inside bar play. I told you these ones are powerful too. Inside bar. Nailed it, okay? mRNA, Moderna. MRVL, Marvel. Look at winners. Broke the trigger. Microsoft, broke the trigger. Netflix, again, high premiums, I don't usually play it, broke the trigger. NVDA, broke the trigger. These are bangers of plays, guys, and it's simple. These are simple, easy strategies. We're just doing what the candlesticks are telling a story, and we're just reading it. Okay? And if you don't understand it, I promise you, the more you watch and the more you look, the more you will understand. It's going to be like breathing. You're just going to see the setups, and you're going to be able to jump in on them. You'll be able to jump in them on the weeklies for swings, on the dailies, on the hourlies, on the 30s, okay? This is the easiest strategy you will find, okay? And I'm going to ask you right now, if you think this video is helping you, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, hit the bell. When you hit that bell on the subscribe button, that'll give you the notifications as soon as I send out these videos for you guys to watch for reviews, setups, learning tools, motivational videos, okay? Back to it, Procter & Gamble, inside bar. Look, if you didn't take your profit here, we didn't hit this target, but if you went back on the hourly, like I teach you, you would have had other targets in here, okay? And if you didn't take targets, you came back up and you lost, okay? So if you're here already, you better make this trigger your stop loss so you're at least even, okay? Pins, winner. Palantir, PLTR, we still have an inside bar. We haven't triggered yet. That's a play you can watch to get in tomorrow. PLUG, plug power, has not triggered yet. It is close to triggering on the daily tomorrow for Tuesday. So we trigger there. We likely trigger on the week. Watch for plug power tomorrow. PayPal, triggered, winner. QQQ, triggered, big winner. I don't have SPY on here, I don't think, but SPY was a killer today. I made money on about 3 or 4 different times on SPY. Somebody asked me to do a video on those trades. I can do it. I have a couple of them already where I've done 20% on SPY in 30 minutes. I've done 150% on SPY in an hour. Okay, these were 25% plays today, but there was a bunch of them, okay? But I will make a video, so look for that soon. Roku. Reversal to the downside. Nailed it. Starbucks. Big win on Starbucks. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. SE. C-limited. Outside bar. Looks like we had a gap. Opened up on our trigger. Okay, so SE would have been good if you were in it. Space. SPCE. Virgin Galactic. Nailed it. Square. SQ. Nailed it. Teladoc Health. TDOC. Nailed it. Every single one of these plays, guys, unbelievable. Look at this thing. 12% loss on the trade desk. Big winner on an option put, okay? Twitter, TWTR, winner. Uber, winner on the outside bars. UPST, huge winner. Went down to 12% on Upstart. Big winner. CMG, Chipotle Mexican Grill, huge winner. Okay, I sound like Donald Trump. Huge. Here's one Schlumberger, SLB. This one is going, for those of you out there saying, oh, anybody could have said the market was going down. Here we go. Look, I called this one to go up. Okay, trigger, in, boom. From 39.96 all the way up to 43.40. I can't make this stuff up, guys. I'm reading what the candlesticks are telling me to do. Valero Energy, okay? You could have got it in here at 86 up to 87.70, okay? So that's a $1.70 gain. That's a lot in options, depending on where your strike price is. But if you're up that high, again, like I said, this trigger better be your stop loss because you just lost the trade. You went from green to red, and I don't ever want to see you guys do that, okay? Stay green. It's inevitable. You're going to lose some trades, okay? You are. But make those losses as small as you can. Okay, here's another one. IWM. It's a Russell 2000 ETF. Nailed it. Cisco, CSCO. This one hasn't triggered, okay? So we can look for this one tomorrow. And these yellow lines, those are our day triggers, okay, for tomorrow. Those will be on our setups for tomorrow, for Tuesday. When you look at that video, Cisco will be on there, okay? And we can also look for weekly swings on Cisco still, okay? Arc W to the downside, triggered and in for the win. GNOG, 11% loser, big win. Now mention, this one gapped, so we weren't even in it. Planet 13, didn't trigger, still an inside bar. MindMed, triggered, winner, okay? And it's still got a lot of time left to move further. Okay, guys, that's it. That's our review of like the 50 setups that I gave you guys. You can go check the top 3 that I send out. Would have been Rblx, MU, Lift, Forward, and Snap. I guess that's 5 of them. Again, they were all big winners. You couldn't lose today. If you were red, you need to reevaluate. Take a look at the videos again. Rewatch them. Look at the trades and see where you went wrong. What did you do wrong? Did you get in at the triggers? Did you pull profit? Okay? If you get in too late, you know, I don't know what to say. Don't chase trades, okay? If you miss the trigger, leave it. Look at all the trades we had today. Just 50 alone, and that's just the ones that I was looking at. There's thousands of possibilities for you guys to win in this game, okay? So that's it for me, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. Subscribe down below, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.